5 to 6 in the evening. Time to take the laundry. Take all the washing to the local laundry and get that done before we hit the boat next Saturday. Get a nice solid load here. Dirt cheap to have done here though. That's the beauty of the Philippines. It's so cheap. So easy to get killed as well. But not really. The actual traffic is pretty hectic and full on, but they don't seem to try and hit people. Not like if you're in Sydney. Here now. Took us 4 minutes to get here. Listen to the noise. It goes on all day, all night. So they're looking at the washing now to determine how much it's going to cost. It's one load. Should take about 2 hours, so I go to the shops, have something to eat, come back, pick it up on the way home. It is so easy getting your washing done here if you can find a decent place. First place I had in April, they didn't speak English. It took me about 20 minutes to make them understand what I wanted, but they delivered it back to my room and it was beautiful. So it's so much easier to just deliver it. A lot of times they'll pick it up from you, take it away, wash it and bring it back all folded nice and neat, ready to go. So this may cost about 5 or 6 Australian dollars to have done. We'll find out shortly. But gee, even at $10, that's excellent value. $15 is as excellent value as well. Yeah, look at the crazy traffic. This guy here is collecting all the recycling bottles and stuff, plastic, so he can sell it. All the kids coming home from school. They do some crazy hours here, certainly crazy hours. It is gridlock. Looks like New York, doesn't it? A little bit cleaner though. They are a friendly bunch here. It's almost Christmas, the year is almost dead. That's about $5 Australian. So I can live with that. We'll have to fold the clothing, which is fine this time. But $5 can't beat it. Look at this crazy traffic, my God. So we're going to walk through all of this because it's certainly easier than trying to drive. I've been places where it's taken me 2 to 3 hours to drive when it can only take me 15 minutes to walk. So anyway, we're going to get some lunch now, dinner now. It's incredible the noise that comes out of those jeepneys. They can go past you. It is so loud that it hurts your ears severely. I can't believe how they allow that. Nearly choked to death on carbon monoxide fumes on one of the rides when I was in it. Not for the faint of heart, but they're certainly cheap and easy. That's the train up there. That's an easy way. If you come here, use the train a lot, get used to it. It makes life so much simpler. It gets pretty crowded at times, but it's comfortable, it's modern, and it's fast. Want to get one of those. That's the life of leisure. The life of leisure. Or leisure. They like Japan. We have to try and get across this. The lights will turn and we can run like mad. Look at this. Oh, there's Pedro Gil. Here, Bubba. Seconds, I presume, we'll get a green walk, maybe. The unadulterated sound of Manila. It looks pretty mad, looks pretty dangerous, but it actually seems to be very safe. I haven't had any close encounters yet. I just walk out in front of cars and they stop so far. heard this guy over the road here playing last night. I think the other guy was with him. He wasn't too bad a singer actually. He's quite good, surprisingly good. Seems to be a lot of talent here for music. There he goes. At least he can hold a tune more than other people. Poverty everywhere. So now I'm at a modern shopping centre. Robinson's, isn't it? Robinson's Mall. Back into modernity. I don't know which I prefer. The craziness out there. Oh, the craziness in here. It's Christmas. No matter where you go, you can't get away from the crowds. And you'll note if you come, every doorway is flanked by at least one security guard, and you will be scanned and checked. So nothing's going to get through here. Here we go. Just say hello, and they'll like you. Mate. Here we are. Just a normal mall, just a normal shopping centre. We decided to eat at Wendy's tonight. One thing you'll find out when you come here is that you can live and eat very cheaply. Wendy's is pretty good, and surprisingly the food in most of these places is quite wonderful, quite yummy. But you will notice when you order something, it's not a simple process. It's more like taking out a house mortgage and working out all the agreements and the conditions and so forth. You can't just walk up and ask for a burger, fries and a drink. You have to discuss everything, and it can take up 20 bloody minutes some days just to make a simple order. Very frustrating. And if it's a crowd, it takes forever. But there are plenty of places. This is going to cost maybe 500 pesos, so $10 maybe, $15. What I do is go to, say, KFC, buy a bucket of 6, a few other things, and that will do me for dinner for a day or two. I'll eat at the place, and then I'll take some home. And very cheap living, and it's all pretty good. I will say KFC tastes very yummy in the Philippines. It was like when KFC came into Australia way back when I was a kid. It was great then, but not so good anymore. But here, it's like you're stepping back in time. You have a lot of different options. All the normal Western eateries, plus a lot of Philippine ones. So you're not short of something to eat, and at a pretty good price. I mean, there are plenty of places where you can spend a lot of money. Peri chicken, there's some really yummy stuff, but it's quite expensive. So yeah, plenty of places, plenty of food. Now I'm not going to eat in front of you like a lot of other people do. Just telling you the facts of life. You can come here and find out what it tastes like yourself. Thanks for coming. See you later. This is what we got. Big burger, not a bad size for a change. Spaghetti and God knows what, meatballs, chicken, rice, fries, blah blah blah, and a big drink. It's not a bad feed. $13 Australian. So you can live on that and you won't die of malnutrition. Okay, we just picked up the laundry. I'll show you what it looks like. It's a huge bag there. That's a pretty big bag. That cost us, that big load cost $4.88. Yeah, we got to fold this one, but that's okay, who cares, not me. So we're going to be folded up and put in the suitcase ready for the trip down to Mindanao. So try and get $4.88 to do your washing with the conditioner in a Western country. Ain't gonna happen, eh? And it's generally pretty good service too. So now we're heading back to the hotel, finish up for the night, ready for another day tomorrow. Don't forget to follow, like and subscribe, like everyone says. See you later.